doing, guys?
Oh, point to the camera in the face again. Everybody's masked up in the camera. What's happening?
So we've been thinking, we give a lot of information out, but I think Griff would like to ask something off everyone else.
So we was just talking, literally we was just talking, this feels really weird talking at a camera, but it's absolutely bizarre. So we was just talking about how this is going to work, or how another film, or sort of, do you want to call it a production meeting? A production meeting? Yeah? I don't know.
No, I don't want to call it a production
That all
meeting.
seems a little bit formal.
Well,
So-
no, we're not having clapperboards either, so scratch that one.
So what we was planning on doing, and what we were talking about, was basically allowing the hashtag APFam, you guys out there, the subscribers, the people on YouTube, all our friends that follow us via the social media networks. Questions. What questions have you got that you want to ask us?
I got a question. If you saw a heat wave, would you wave back?
So basically we sort of stand there and we kind of give out the information lots and lots, and it's kind of, I was thinking the other day as I was driving along, what questions have you got that you would like to ask us?
And I need you.
So we used to do some live events, and they were really, really popular, and there was quite a few hundred people, 300-400 people at a time that used to sort of tune into these live events. But we've got the opportunity to make a video. If you want to leave a comment down below in the YouTube channel, on this YouTube, if you want to leave a comment down below with questions, if you want to email us, you can email us sales@apworkshops.co.uk. Okay, Snox will pick that up for you. He picks those up the first thing in the morning. If you've got any questions you want to ask us, like I said, leave a little thing down below and we'll follow those up, or you can email us over to the email address and we'll see what we can do. We'll see if we can come up with this. So, personal, work, whatever, history, well, not too much personal, clearly, but...
Not giving too much away, mate. So everything that Griff explains to is like performance videos and everything that's on the website and YouTube and that. If there's anything you're not sure of, or if you always wanted to wonder, oh, I wonder what that does and it's never been explained, ask away. This is your chance.
Let us know if you want to. There's the phone. Oh, there's the phone.
I'm out of this one. AP Workshop.
So let us know if you want to. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, like I said, leave a little comment down below and we'll talk to you soon. Take it easy.